Hello students, in this video we will study theme 0, that is an introduction to physics. In this video we will discuss about what is science and its branches, what is physics and scientific methods used by scientists. So let us begin with the video. What is science? Science is a form of knowledge gained by careful observation and experiments. The people who work for the development of science are called scientists. Science helps us in improving our ways of thinking and doing. So basically, science is all about asking questions like when, how, what, where, etc. Then experimenting, drawing conclusions and applications. Branches of science. There are two main branches of science, that is, physical science, which deals with the study of non-living things, and natural science, which deals with the study of living things. Further, these sciences are divided into subcategories. Physical science is studied in two categories, that is, physics and chemistry. Natural science is studied in two categories, that is, botany and zoology. Physics deals with the study of nature and natural phenomena. Chemistry deals with the study of matter and its composition. Botany deals with the study of plants. Zoology deals with the study of animals and humans. So, branches of science have two main streams, that is, physical science, which deals with the study of non-living world, and natural science, which deals with the study of living world. Now, the subcategories of physical science and natural science are physics deals with the study of inanimate matter, energy, and with the basic principles of universe. Chemistry deals with the study of the behavior and composition of matter. Botany deals with the study of plants. Zoology deals with the study of animals and humans. What is physics? Physics is a branch of science that deals with the study of matter, energy, measurements, and the law of governing the various phenomena. For convenience, physics is divided into following subtopics. First, mechanics. Second, sound. Third, thermodynamics. Fourth, electricity and magnetism. Fifth, light and optics. And sixth, modern physics, which include quantum physics, atomic physics, superconductivity, nuclear structures, particle physics, and cosmology. Why should we study physics? Sometimes few questions arises in our mind, like how does gravity work? What makes planes stay in the air? And how do bikes work? These are some of the big questions that physicists explore. They study the laws that govern all matter and energy in the universe. Physicists specialize in different areas. For example, nuclear physicists study the tiniest particles of matter, while astrophysicists study huge things like stars and planets. Many physicists also combine their work with chemistry and biology. So, what are the benefits of studying physics? Well, you will get some useful skills like problem solving, research, and analysis. You will be able to test new ideas and theories, useful skills for any job. Physics is really useful for most science, tech, engineering, and maths career. Physicists are everywhere from space exploration and robotics to game and the army. Physicists help model the climate, diagnose disease, design clever tech, and more. A-level physics is a facilitating subject to help you get onto lots of degrees. It's highly recommended for science degrees like medicine and engineering. So, these were the benefits of studying physics. Now, we will discuss how do scientists work. The step-by-step process involved in doing something is known as the scientific method. Scientists use scientific method in their research work. Scientific method used by scientists involves the following steps. First, identifying the problem. The first step in scientific method is to identify the problem. Second, collecting information about the process of object. After identifying the problem, the scientist collects the more information about the process object from books, journals, and from experiments. Third, identifying trends in the observation postulations of hypotheses. After collecting data, the scientist looks for any relationships, similarities, and trends in observations. A generalization to these trends is called hypothesis. Fourth, testing the hypothesis. After the hypothesis is postulated, the scientist tests its truthfulness by performing more tests and experiments. Fifth, application of theory. Theory or the law as developed is then used to suggest, stimulate, and direct further experiments. Once again, let us recall the steps involved in scientific method. First, identifying the problem. Second, collecting information about the process of object. Third, identifying trends in the observation postulation of hypothesis. Fourth, testing the hypothesis. Fifth, application of the theory. Dear students, on the basis of topics discussed in this video, here is a small assignment given for you. You are requested to write these exercises in a notebook. First, define science. Second, what do you mean by physical science and natural science? Third, write any 3 subtopics of physics. Fourth, define physics. Fifth, write the steps involved in scientific method. That's all for today's video. Thank you.